A good Saturday to you. Rick Segal here in the First Warning Weather Center. We dawn with a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Later on today, some of these clouds will open up with a little rain. More on that in a moment. This morning, Lake Travis holding steady at 675.37, Buchanan 1020.01, Buchanan still 100% full, and Travis at 91. The coverage of both lakes is over 1,892,000 acre-feet, 95% of capacity, and that's certainly good news. The clouds and what rain we may see later on today will hold our temperatures to below normal. Most highs today will be in the lower 90s. A few may linger in the upper 80s out in the hill country. And then we'll look at temperatures a little bit higher tomorrow and even hotter as we get into Monday through Thursday. Muggy meter shows a little bit of promise with afternoon humidity lowering, and this is especially true for Monday, but Tuesday, Wednesday, and then the humidity will slowly start to increase as we get into Thursday. We are looking for humidity readings Tuesday, Wednesday, or dew point temperatures Tuesday, Wednesday, in the afternoons dropping into the upper 50s to low 60s, and that'll feel a whole lot better than we felt for a while. All right, here is the area of low pressure that was tracking through the Gulf and which National Hurricane Center forecasters thought might develop into a tropical depression, but it never did. It has made landfall and will track across the southern part of the state, being nudged by this big ridge of high pressure that will be over the far southeast. The low moves into Mexico tomorrow. It'll still pull in moisture combining with the high to lead to a little bit of rain for tomorrow afternoon. The low fades away. The high heads to Texas. It's over the state Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, baking us with high heat temperatures in the upper half of the 90s at many locations all 3 days. While that's developing or moving over the state, there's another high that develops over the Atlantic, heads to Florida, and between the two highs we have an inverted trough of low pressure. That will lead to the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms late Friday afternoon into Saturday, early forecasts for sure. And so we'll be watching that as well. For today, a scattering of clouds through the morning into the afternoon, and then an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms lifting from the southeast to the northwest, moving through the hill country as well by 4 o'clock, and then the rain is gone with the loss of daytime heating as we approach sunset. The weather will be dry overnight. We'll start out with a mostly cloudy sky Sunday morning. Introduce again the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms, the probability a little lower for tomorrow. Some of you will get some rain, some of you won't, but most all of the rain should be gone by the time the sun goes down. In all, a few hundredths up to 1/10 of an inch, but some isolated areas could see about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. Just depends on where some of those thunderstorms do land, and when the thunderstorms do develop, there'll be some gusty winds as well. And then we've got that rain in the forecast on late Friday afternoon into Saturday. For now, the rain chance is 20%. Air quality forecast today is moderate. Again, it's for fine particulate matter. It's been in the good range for a few days, but it returns to moderate today. Again, it's particulate matter not brought on by the Saharan dust, but tomorrow's air quality forecast will be moderate as we see a little light dusting today, and then we'll see a thicker plume of that overhead, especially tomorrow into at least Wednesday or Thursday, and then it looks like late in the week into next weekend the dust departs again. From the First Warning Weather Center, it's a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms today. We've got a 40% probability, though, for our viewers in Bastrop, Caldwell, Fayette, and Lee counties. South wind at around 5 to 10 with gusts into the 20s. If we get some of those thunderstorm winds to develop, we'll have some gusty winds briefly. High today 92. Tomorrow morning will be in the 70s again, 77 in town. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, high 95. And then we are in the upper 90s, partly cloudy to mostly sunny Monday through Friday, with a 20% chance of rain late Friday afternoon into Saturday. The 8 to 14-day rainfall outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. August 2nd through the 8th is looking at wetter than normal. The darker the green, the higher the confidence. The normal rain for those 7 days is 47/100ths of an inch. And hotter than normal still for the area, although not as dark of that red shade. Now, we are statistically in August, in the first half of August, statistically the hottest time of the year with a normal high of 99 and the normal low of 76 through the 14th of the month. So we expect to be hotter than that, which would mean some highs reaching 100 degrees. That's your forecast for this Saturday. Have a good day.